All right, so let's go over this real quick. So for number one, I'm going to add 2 to both sides because the inverse operation to take away 2 is adding 2. All right, these cross each other out, and I'm left with x is less than 5. All right, so I'm going to find 5, use an open circle because it's not included, and x is going to be less than 5. Less than 5. All right, so I can check my answers by plugging in values on both sides of the circle. Let's see if it's true. So if x equals 4, right, is my inequality true? 4 less than 5? And the answer is yes. All right, 4 is less than 5. And on the same side, I can do 5 or 6. So I'm going to do 5. X equals 5. So 5 is less than 5, and that is not true because 5 is not less than 5. I'm going to go ahead and do a third one on this one. X equals 6. So 6 is less than 5, and that is not true as well because 6 is greater than 5. Okay, number 2. X minus 6 is greater than or equal to 4. So I'm going to add 6 to both sides. Plus 6, plus 6. Cross each other out. So I'm left with x greater than or equal to 10. Because 4 plus 6 is 10. Use a closed circle this time because 10 can be the value, the inequality. And x is going to be greater than 10. So, or equal to. Greater than or equal to. So, all right, so I'm going to check my work by plugging in both 8 and 12. So x, or 9, I can do 9 too, because 9 is less than 10. So x equals 9, all right, and so so 9 is greater than or equal to x, and that is not true because 9 is less than, not x, but 10. 9 is less than 10, all right? I could try 12, and if I plug it in 12, that would be, or 11 or 12, that would be true because they are greater than 10. All right, number 3. All right, so this is on the other side, the variables on the other side of the equality, but that's fine. I can flip it around if I want to, or I can just follow the same rules. So I'm going to add 1 to both sides, and maybe out of room on this one because of my little thing. Yeah, I'm going to do this up here, or over here. I'll do it over here. So 10 is greater than or equal to x minus 1. All right, so I'm going to add 1 to both sides, and I'm left with 11 is greater than or equal to x. And then I'm going to plug in, find 11, use a closed circle because 11 can be included, and x is going to be less than or equal to 11, so I'm going to shade in to the left of 11. All right, so let's go ahead. Hopefully, if you have any questions, send me an email, and let's go on to